Crazy Talk can animate any kind of image, even your doodles, drawings, or sketches. Once you create an image, you can make it leap off the page and come to life with Crazy Talk in just a few clicks. With the enhanced camera system, you can easily create a comic show with animated characters. Inside Crazy Talk, you can apply several types of special effects as image overlays featuring character disguises and more fun content to enrich your animation.
You can also place your avatar on different background images or special effects at different stages.
When you put it all together, you can easily add finishing touches by creating a talking animated comic strip, complete with text bubble effects.
Blah, 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 blah.
Blah, blah, blah. Ugh, girls.
Special Effects provides the full potential to create your own custom media. The only limit is your imagination.